Okay guys, so quick chat while I'm meal prepping. I went to today's Sunday, I went to the gym on Friday, right? I was gonna do my spinning class and all of that, and I was, finding the motivation within me to continue. But my body literally, once I started riding that bike, my body was shaking. It was like it was just like I had to get off the bike, pretty much. I needed to get off the bike and I needed to sleep. But the point of this, why I'm telling you this, I did only work out 4 days this week, and I haven't had the time to do it over the weekend because the kids and all that. But basically, I feel okay because I gave it a try instead of not trying and not finding out. So I'm pretty, I'm happy that I actually went. I did my best. I couldn't do it. I had to go home, and that's okay. That's okay. Tomorrow is Monday. I'm gonna get it in again. I've rested since then, and I've regained energy, and here I am, meal prepping, preparing for the week ahead. Tomorrow it will be plan B days for the next 4 days. So that's plan B is a no carb days, and I feel like that's gonna be rough, but it's okay. I'm already feeling like I started to see results. I've lost 3 pounds since last week. I was actually 162. Now I'm weighing 159. So a little bit of change is good. I feel better. I feel like I am losing weight. Like my efforts are, making a change. And that's what counts. 1 day at a time. So for next week's meal prep, I'm going to be making chicken thighs. I like to alternate between chicken breast and chicken thighs because I get bored. Pretty much. So I'm going to show you now how I prepare my chicken thighs in the air fryer. So what I'm doing here now is just cutting some holes into the chicken so that my marinade can really seep through and make the chicken taste as yummy as possible. Now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to take some garlic powder and I'm going to put it in a bowl where I have all the chicken thighs. I'm going to make sure that I have it evenly everywhere. Next, I'm going to take some onion powder and I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to take some thyme. I think I'm saying that right. And I'm gonna put it on the chicken thighs as well. Just a little bit goes a long way. And finally some black pepper. seasoning is in the chicken. I'm going to give it a little massage, and I'm gonna make sure that everything is, rubbed in well. Next, I'm going to grab a lemon. I'm going to put it all over the chicken that I have in the bowl. And then I'm going to be adding my balsamic vinegar and olive oil. In a blender, I'm going to take some olive oil, some balsamic vinegar. I'm going to mix them both together. I put it in the blender just to make sure it's blended well, as opposed to just throwing both on separately. It gives a whole different effect. And basically I just blend it until I get a good consistency. It should look more or less like this color. Next, I'm going to be preparing my tuna for my tuna salad. I've already done this before, you guys have seen. It's basically the same thing. The ingredients for the tuna salad basically is a lemon, some mayonnaise, some pepper, and now I'll be chopping the celery. I mix all of that together and I have my tuna salad, and I will eat that with spinach or mixed greens. You can really go ahead and add whatever you like in your tuna salad, and other times I have added red pepper to it, and that's all I've added. But it's whatever you prefer. Just don't add any salt. Okay, so now that I'm finished with my tuna salad, I'm going to go ahead and take the chicken thighs and put them in the air fryer. I put my chicken thighs in the air fryer for 400 degrees and about 12 to 18 minutes, depending on how crispy I want it. To accompany the chicken, I sauteed some mushrooms with some truffle oil. This I do as I eat it. I don't meal prep that part. Then I add some spinach, and that's it. Okay guys, so I want to go ahead and show you a little progress video. Yes, it's only been 1 week, but I'm feeling it. A little abs going on. I feel lighter. Little back coming off. And yeah, that's what it is. Excited for the next 2 weeks. See what kind of change comes about.